Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into assemble. 11 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Assemble, which means cause people or things to gather together for a common purpose. Number 1. Convene, which means come or bring together for a meeting or activity. Convene. For example, the committee convened for its final session. Number 2. Summon, which means call people to attend a meeting. Summon. For example, he summoned a meeting of head delegates. Number 3. Accumulate, which means gather together or acquire an increasing number or quantity of. Accumulate. For example, he accumulated considerable wealth. Number 4. Marshal, which means assemble and arrange a group of people, especially troops, in order. Marshal. For example, the Mercian king marshaled a formidable army. Number 5. Amass, which means gather together or accumulate a large amount or number of material or things over a period of time. Amass. For example, he amassed a large fortune. Number 6. Mass, which means assemble or cause to assemble into a single body or mass. Mass. For example, both countries began massing troops in the region. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.